Don't think about too much about tense. Use this form only. You can able to speak in English properly. You are having spoken English class, am I right? So all guys, you are having from Bengali medium, am I right? So we'll try our best to learn spoken English. How we can proceed, that is the main thing. Clear? Everybody? Okay. Now, in case of spoken English, okay, everybody is tell about that, okay, about tense and everything is needed to speak English properly. Am I right? But my question is that if you too much think about tense, you can't able to talk or you can't able to speak English properly. Okay? So what we have to do? We have to think in another way. We are doing a tense, no doubt about it. But we have to do it in another way. Okay? If you do it properly, then you can able to speak in English. You are somebody, you can speak in English, but some guys, they are facing a lot of problem because you are using too much Bengali in your home and you are not practice spoken English in your home. Am I right? Okay, only school timing, you are speaking in English, but when you are going home, you are again too much Bengali. So today, I will give you some techniques which you can apply in your home. Am I right? And you can able to speak in English properly. Okay, now look. Have you heard the tense? Okay, tense. What did I say? I told you, please forget this term tense. Okay? No need to think about tense. Clear? No need to think about tense. Okay? Now, what I have written here? V1, V2, V3. What is this? Verb 1, past form, past participle form. Do you know this? Everybody? Now, use of this, one kind of spoken English. Followed? Use of these words are one kind of spoken English. Okay? Now, how sir? Listen. First thing, this is V1. Am I right? See, do, play. Now, look. What we do daily. What we do daily. That is V1. What we do daily? That means what? V1. Now what? Gaurav? What we do daily means? If I ask you, tell me your daily routine, what you will say? Look. You see, get up, wash, eat, go, do. Sir, what you are writing, sir? What you are writing? I told you what? In case of V1, all are V1, am I right? Yes, all are V1. Now I'm going to use it. Get up. I get up early in the morning. Then I
wash my face.
Then I
Eat my breakfast.
Then I
Go to school.
Then I classes. Okay? So can we use this V1 with the spoken English? How? In case of habitual truth. What is habitual truth? What you do daily. Now make one sentence. I watch daily. Watch. I watch television. Okay. Water. I drink water. Okay? I breakfast. Okay? Breakfast. What is breakfast? Can you explain the term breakfast? What is breakfast? You should know this. Breakfast. Break means, do you know? Gap. Fast means, do you know? Empty stomach. Breakfast. Fasting. Okay? So you are having whole day you have not eaten anything in the morning or eating. So breaking your fast. Okay? That is breakfast. Morning meal. Understood? Okay? So V1, have you followed? Get up 6 o'clock. So when you use it, V1? In case of daily use. In that sense, you have to use V1. So, when do you come to school? Gaurav, give me answer. When do you come to school? In English. With V1. With V1.
I go to school daily.
Daily. Time, mention the time.
I go to school 10 o'clock.
Okay. Do class. Make sentence in spoken English with the help of spoken English.
I go to the class.
I do my all classes. Okay? Play. Tiffin. Make sentence.
I eat my tiffin, then I play.
Then we play. So all are V1. So everybody clear?
Yes, sir.
Use of V1. Now comes V2. What is V2? So don't think about present continuous, present perfect continuous. Don't bother about spoken English in these tenses. You just use it. You just use the formulas directly you can talk with. Freely you can talk. Otherwise too much thinking about tense na, it will what? It will main problem. Too much thinking about tense. Don't think about tense. You just think about V1, okay? V2. When? V2 what? In case of story. In case of story we use it V2. Story means past incident. Story. That means a lion live. Make it V2. Or a Brahmin live village. V2. Use V2. What? Lion live is V1. Now V2. Live past form. Now make a sentence. Once a Brahmin lived in a village. Okay. He 3 sons. Tell.
He has 6 sons.
Past tense. Has passed.
He
He had 3 sons. Very good. They always
fighting.
not fighting. You can't use fighting.
They always fought.
They always quarreled. They always quarreled. You know, quarreled. Ed. V2. Ed. Then farmer was what?
Very sad.
Yes. One day, farmer
Take idea.
took a idea, thought a plan, think first form, thought a plan. Am I right? He, now make a sentence, call.
He called his 3 sons.
Yes. He give 3 bundles, past form,
He gave 3 bundles.
of sticks. Okay? Said,
To break.
he told them, break the sticks. They, what is that? What is that? Do you know? Try. Have you heard the no? Try.
But cannot break.
They tried and tried, but
They cannot.
or why would goma so much cannot? Pass and another word, opposite word, pass opposite word. Fail. They tried but failed. Okay? Next, farmer. Again, what is that? Again called them and give them, what is that?
1 stick.
Gave them 1 stick each. Not give it present form. Gave them 1 stick each. Okay? Now, they,
They break.
past form, broke
Stick.
easily. Then the farmer said to them, if you live together, okay, you will shine in your life. Okay? So this is the V1 and V2. Don't think about too much about tense. Use this form only. you can able to speak in English properly. Have you understood? What? Mita? Followed? V1 and V2. Another thing. See, do, okay. Can you tell me which formula this is? Have you heard this? Have you heard term? What is this? This is noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, what? You don't know? What pronoun? Walking, ing is verb word na? Action word na? Action word, okay? This form is called present participle. Ing form is called present participle, okay? Present participle. So when you use ing form, what you have to, when it is used as verb, keep it in your mind, ing form is different types. That may be adjective, that may be verb, okay? That may be ing form. Sir, what you are talking, ing form is verb, ing form noun may also, that is called gerund. We will come that class later on, okay? Now doing is what? Present participle. So make a sentence with doing.
He doing his work.
Only he doing. You see. Do is the main verb. Am I right? Do is the main verb. If you do ing, na, so then verb is not pure verb. Verb is getting extra ing. So when ing verb is there, you have to use one thing before that verb. Is, am, are. Understood? So what is that? I am yes, understand. Have you followed? Okay, he is
Walking. Open the door. He is opening.
yes, he is opening the door. Okay? Okay, sir is followed. So when you are using ing, you must use is, am, are before that verb. So first we have learned about do, then we have learned about doing, and then comes did. Did when? Suppose a math yesterday. Make a sentence. A math yesterday. Do, use do verbs. What will say? Complete the sentence. Yesterday means past tense. So what will say? I did. I will. Past form. I did the math. Followed. I did the math. So in that case, it is V2. V1. I do math daily. Am I right? I do math daily. You do math daily or not? This is first one. V1. What did I say? When you do the work any sort of daily, then you have to V1. Then V2. V2 means when you have done past. So I did the math yesterday. Followed? I did the math yesterday. Followed. Say something na. Have you followed? I did the math yesterday. Now I am. Suppose you are taking math class. Someone is taking math class. What you will do? I am doing math. Followed or not followed? Followed? Yes or no? Say something. I do math daily. Understood? Okay? I did the math yesterday. Understood? Okay? I am doing math. So three formulas there. In a word, if you tell, three things are there. Do, did, done. Done I will come later. Do, did, and in middle, this is called doing. Okay? This is present participle. This is present form. This is present participle. This is past form. Do means I do math daily. Doing matlab I?
Doing the math.
I am doing math. B2?
I did the math
Yesterday. Followed? These three things, any doubt? Now make same way, tell me with play. Daily?
I play daily.
Okay.
I play daily.
I?
I play.
Yes. I played.
Yes,
Simple thing, then you can be able to speak. Understood? Now use the verb do, okay? See, with see, bird.
I see a bird.
Okay.
I saw a bird.
Saw a bird.
I see a bird.
I saw a bird yesterday. Now seeing.
I sing a song.
I seeing is good to hear. Seeing. Have you heard seeing? Have you heard seeing? When I am telling using doing, is okay. Seeing is odd looking. Am I right? Seeing. See means what? See. Look, see. Seeing is correct. Why not? Listen. Our having 5 senses. 5 senses, do you know? Touching, hearing, okay, smelling, okay. So we can't use this type of 5 type of words in present continuous tense. Okay, with ing. We will not use. Okay, in other sentences. Suppose play okay, do okay, write. First form.
I write a letter.
Okay.
I write a letter.
I am this one doing right, writing a letter. I wrote a letter. Simple things. 3 things we have understood today. Have you followed? So in case of spoken English, you can give the answer in this way. If anyone asks you, what are you doing? I am sitting in a class. What did you see yesterday? Suppose tiger. Answer me. Past tense.
See a tiger.
What did you saw? I saw a bird. Yeah. I play football. Do you play football? Yes, I play football. And when comes does? Do you know? When comes does? When verb is 3 idiot person. That is he, she, any name. Raja goes to school. So, how can I ask you a question? How can I ask you the question? Goes. Make it a question or go answer. Goes. Who goes? He goes to school. Okay? Goes is one kind of form when the subject will be in the same tense when subject will be he, she, any name. In that sense you have to use it. Otherwise these 3, have you understood? These 3? Okay.